Welcome to Vee Excel Drugs Pharmaceuticals. Here is a brief introduction of our company and plant. Our plant came into operation in January 2017. It is 100% export-oriented unit situated in Greater Noida, merely 30 kilometers away from Delhi, national capital of India. Plant is built on approximately 6,000 square meter of land with about 100,000 square feet of construction. The facility is designed for regulated market, comprising of 4 separate well-designed blocks, having controlled access for each blocks for men and material movement. We have non-beta-lactam and cephalosporin blocks along with QC and R&D facility. We are capable of manufacturing tablets, capsules and dry syrups in both the blocks. In near future, we will start the operation under our oncology block in the same facility. The global pharmaceutical corporation or desire to cure extends beyond healthcare to social and economic sphere and to make change in people's life. The future ahead looks even more exciting as it paves way for greater achievement and better science. Our strength is in R&D and quality control. Each product manufactured in our facility goes through R&D and passes through stringent quality control, so that end product matches the standard of high quality and efficacy. Our production facility comprises of all the latest machines with PLC control. We have capability of manufacturing batches from as low as 80 kilograms and then go up to 600 kilograms. High-speed blister machine, auto cartonator, auto powder filling machines are some of the critical machines to achieve desired outputs. Our non-beta-lactam facility also have approval of site to manufacture food supplements. Having 2-layer tablet compression machine gives additional strength to manufacture more critical products falling in BCS class 2 and 4. Our mission statement is very simple. Our job is to provide best of quality medicine for patients who pose an enormous trust on the medicine to get early relief from their diseases. At Vxl we strongly support environmentalism and keeping in mind the same. We use innovative method of technologies to have highest standard of safety, environment and health in our manufacturing process. We have dedicated zero discharge effluent plant to reduce bioburden on the planet. We have 100% rainwater harvesting to recharge the groundwater. We are constantly working on developing new drugs, new delivery systems and new combination. Our job in R&D is to work towards the innovation, introduction and improvement of products and procedures. Product development, life cycle study, STP, and scaling up of batches for commercial production are some of the activities performed by the team. Our quality management system is very robust and aligned with organization's purpose and strategic direction. Vxl over the last 2 decades made its presence felt across the globe. We are carrying forward the rich legacy of supplying a quality and reliable formulation across the globe, and numbers are continuously increasing.